Hi friends, welcome to my channel Science with Dharaa. In this video, we will learn about chemical formula. We will learn about what is a chemical formula and how to write the chemical formula of an element. The question is, what is a chemical formula? A chemical formula is the representation of chemical composition of a substance. It indicates the type and number of atoms of each kind present in that substance. Many substances are made up of positively and negatively charged particles. So, we will learn about the positively and negatively charged particles. We will learn about this later. To understand the chemical formula, we first need to learn the ions of different substances. Now let me show you what the ions are. These are the names of the positive ions, which are sodium, magnesium, aluminum, calcium, hydrogen, copper, iron, zinc, and ammonium. Here are the symbols of them. These are positively charged ions. Now, here are the names of ions, which are chloride, oxide, hydroxide, carbonate, sulfate, nitrate, acetate, phosphate. These are negatively charged ions. And here are the symbols of the ions. Now, our topic is how to write chemical formula of an element. Now, I will teach you how to write a chemical formula of an element. In the name of a chemical substance, generally the name of the positive ion is mentioned first, followed by the name of the negative ion. Now let us take an example. The chemical name of common salt is sodium chloride. Here, the name of positive ion, which is sodium, any positive, is mentioned first, and the name of the negative ion, which is chloride, Cl negative, is mentioned afterwards. Hence, the chemical formula of sodium chloride is written as sodium chloride and not as chloride sodium. Let us learn about this further. Now, below is the summarized procedure for writing the chemical formula of the substance. Let us read the procedure. Symbols of positive and negative ions are written and their charge is written on the top right corner of the symbol as a superscript. Common factor, if any, is removed from the numbers in the charge of the two ions. Charges of two ions are crisscrossed. These crisscrossed numbers are now written at the bottom right corner of the symbol of the two ions as subscript. This gives us the chemical formula of the substance. Let us take some examples to understand this better. So here is the first example. In the first step, we have to write the formula of sodium chloride. We first write the symbol of sodium and chloride ions along with their charges. Here are the charges of sodium and chloride. The second step is to check if there is any common factor. But in this example, sodium and chloride have a common factor corresponding to their charges of the substances. The charge of sodium is 1 positive and the charge of chloride is 1 negative. Now, if there is any common factor corresponding to the charges of a substance, we first cancel them and then we get result 1. In the third step, we have to crisscross the charges. The charge of chloride is written as the subscript of sodium and the charge of sodium is written as the subscript of chloride. Hence, the chemical formula of sodium chloride is NaCl, which is sodium chloride. But there is a note that we don't write the subscript 1 as subscript in the chemical formula. So here we have a second example which is of which is to write the formula of aluminium sulfate. In the first step, we have to write the formula of aluminium sulfate. We first write the symbols of aluminium and sulfate ions along with their charges. Here, aluminium has the charge 3 positive and sulfate has the charge 2 negative. There is no common factor in the numbers corresponding to their charges because here the charge of aluminium and sulfate are not same. So in the third step, we now crisscross their charges and we get the result as Al2SO4 3, which is aluminium has 2 atoms, sulfate has 4, 3 atoms. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel Science with Dharaa. Surely like the video and subscribe to my channel. Click that red button and surely share this video.